Hello everyone, this is Casual Princeator Sam here, and welcome back to another video. Wait a minute, hold on, I just realised something. Why is my physics gone blue? I set it to yellow, didn't I? And let's change my player model as well to, where's mine? Da 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 da. Where is he? Show me my character, where is he? There we go. And need to make sure his colour's right. There we go. Slash kill. Okay. Sorry about that. That was a bit of an awkward start to the video. Oh, look at that green. Anyway, this is actually kind of a request from my friend and fellow player Explosiontimes, or Owen. And he's crazy. He really is an awesome guy. And he's kind of obsessed with honey badgers, which is a bit of a strange thing to be obsessed with. But, you know, they're rabid. And I told him I have a gun in Gmod called the Honey Badger, and he asked me to do a video where I use the Honey Badger gun to kill things. So I said, okay. So, where is it? Here it is. The AAC Honey Badger. So this is the Honey Badger. Hold on. This is really not going good, is it? Okay. So, we're gonna see what we can kill. Because of explosion times. So, we've got a lot of NPCs. First off, something simple. Father Gregory. God, this thing's powerful. Why isn't it? I don't care. I don't care. How about we give myself something a bit harder to chew on? How about a couple of man hacks? Oh God. Oh God, I'm out. No, no! Ah! How do I reload? Reload! No! I just spawn myself more ammo. There. Wait a minute. Why do I only have these weapons? And Annabelle. Oh, it's a mystery. I'll solve later when I'm not being chased by manhacks. Okay, is that it? Okay. What else? How about all of mine? Hello. Oh. Why is it on 3-round burst? Okay, so a bit of a glitch there. It won't let me have my weapons, but I fixed it now. The honey badger on full auto, so let's take down this roll of mine. She's gonna come at me. Oh, hello. God, it really sends them flying, this gun. This thing is pretty powerful, and the normal Gmod NPCs aren't really a match for it. So let's do something harder. How about a Carnotaurus? Oh my gosh, I need to get away. Go! No! No! Get inside. Oh god, he can go inside! Oh! Flippin' hell! Flippin' hell! Flippin' hell! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Alright, that's it. That's it. Where's that son of a gun? Ah! There's your foot. Dwen. That's his nickname, by the way. That's Explosiontimes' his nickname. We killed the Carnotaurus, guys. Look at that thing. That's a pretty alligator. What? Okay. So we defeated Carnotaurus. How about a Giganotosaurus? Bring it on. Nope. Can it come inside? Yep. Yep, it can. Well, we killed it. God, this guy had some scars on him. So, we killed the Carnotaurus, we killed the Gigantosaurus. How about a Spinosaurus? He wasn't even ready to attack. Ah! Wow, he's really putting up a fight. The dinosaur. No way. This thing is powerful. Not surprised it's named the Honey Badger. Ladies and gentlemen, there's only one dinosaur that could possibly match this gun in power. Let's go find a T-Rex. And by find it, I mean just spawn it in. And not just any T-Rex. The T-Rex from Jurassic Park. It's not actually the one from Jurassic Park. It's actually the one from Primal Carnage Extinction. Oh, we can move now. Reload! Oh, god damn it. Can you say these dinosaur NPCs are really strong? I can't keep spawning there. Yep. Honey budget. Honey budget. Nope, reload. Come on. I killed it. This thing just takes no prisoners. I'm sorry I'm having to spawn ammo. These guns just don't come with very much ammo. Ladies and gentlemen, wait, I want to spawn this Rex because this Rex has a special dying animation. And I don't think it'll take much to kill it. This one's quite weak. Oh, it's gone to the 3-round burst again. Oh well. Okay, this guy's taking more than I thought he would. Look at this. And then you, like, can't remove him. Okay. Hold on. I'm just gonna spawn another one because I don't want it on 3-on burst. And then I'm gonna pick up this ammo. Yep, it's on full auto. Because I'm gonna need it for when I'm about to spawn. Ladies and gentlemen, there's only one creature that could possibly match this amazing gun. The true king of the dinosaur world. The one, the only, Scarface. Bring it, Scarface! And he moves quite fast, despite his size. Come on. He's coming, he's coming, he's coming, he's coming, he's coming, he's coming, he's coming. I do have a slight advantage. The dinosaur SMPCs are so well scripted that they can hardly walk up hills. That's why he's having trouble getting to me. I mean, look at this guy. I mean, I love the VJ-based dinosaur NPCs right here, but I don't even know what Scarface is supposed to be. He's so big. I mean, the Gigantosaurus is the biggest carnivore to ever walk the earth. It's gone to 3-round burst again, hasn't it? Okay, that is hurting him. I'm gonna make it fair for him and go onto the grass so he can actually chase me. He's chasing me. Come on, Scarface. No way. No flipping way. Yay! I killed Scarface. Wait, I want to try something. This is just a random thing that I would like to try. No, that's not what I wanted him. Just have him on this side of this building and then make him fall off. I don't know why I want to try this. No. Oh my god, his tail worked like a trampoline. Okay, so I killed a Carnotaurus. I killed a Gigantosaurus. I killed a Spinosaurus and 2 T-Rex. I even killed Scarface. What else do we have? I'm not trying that. What is his corpse doing? Just die, will you? Oh my god, that looks pretty awesome. You know what? How about the animatronics? Bring it. Oh, better reload. Let's try Chica. Oh my god. No way! That was insane. I can't believe this. I've never seen anything this powerful in Gmod before. Can take down the FNAF 1 animatronics. But can I take down this? the FNAF 2 ones. It can't take down the purple one. Oh, apparently not. Well, come on, it's the purple man. Can't take him down straight away. It actually did as well. So, defeated the FNAF 1 and 2. Can it take down Springtrap from FNAF 3? Oh my god, he's fast. No! Bad Springtrap! And it's gone to 3 on burst again. Why? It did. This thing is insanely powerful. I really need to try and figure out what makes it go to 3 round burst so I can stop pressing whatever I'm pressing. Well, we've defeated all the others. But can we take down the first animatronic, Fredbear? Oh my god, he's fast. Oh my god. Where is he? Bring it. Oh my god. He's way faster than the others. Oh my gosh. And it actually did. This thing is a legend. And Scarface's corpse being weird, of course it is. Right. What about Super Heavy? This thing is overpowered as all hell. Okay, that got some health down. Oh, it's lagging. Obviously not. The honey badger is no match. Now, there's one last thing I want to try. It may be powerful, but can I take down a Dalek? Hold on. And not just any Dalek. An Alpha Dalek. Oh god. I really need to look into what makes it do that. So the Dalek's definitely taken more than anything else. So I did actually kill it. There's a bit of a bug in the whole Dalek mod, where when you kill it multiplies into 2. But believe it or not, the Honey Badger assault rifle can take down a Dalek made of almost impenetrable Dalekanium. So guys, that was the Honey Badger gun challenge. And that's a pretty suitable name. We beat up some manhacks, killed a human, and killed a load of prehistoric dinosaurs. and a Dalek. Yeah, his brother's just like on the floor now. So thanks a lot for watching, everyone. If you do want to see more challenges or anything, comment down below what you want to see me do. I will do anything you guys ask me to do in Gmod. I'm open to suggestions. So thanks a lot for watching, everyone, and I'll see you on the next video. Goodbye, guys.